to strengthen partnership between DepEd and community of Oroqueta City in the province of Misamis Occidental, the division is launching today, August 1, right here in MONHS Covered Court, the 2022 Brigada Eskwela. As we know that Brigada Eskwela is a national maintenance week for all schools to encourage all stakeholders to devote their time, efforts, and resources for the opening of classes, especially this school year 2022-2023. It started with a motorcade early in the morning and followed by the short program. Messages of support by the following: Mayor Lemuel Merrick M. Acosta, ably represented by City EDCOM Chairman, Honorable Councilor Eileen M. Taladua, Provincial Governor Henry S. Waminal, represented by Board Member Duna R. Iyug, ABC President Alfredo Y. Bolino, CNR Officer Thomas L. Cardente II, Federated PDA President Bebelito II C. Galimbas, and Isabelo Q. Talabok of the private sector. The success of every Brigada Eskwela is for the benefit of the children because sa Oroqueta, bata ang bida, palad-palad, magampingita, dumagsik, pinanabisik, magbabalik. God is good all the time.